Hi everybody, Eric the ITGS Guru here, and today we're going to be talking about firewalls. What is a firewall? A firewall is hardware or software that determines which data is allowed to enter and leave a network. A firewall is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. You can implement a firewall in either hardware or software form, or a combination of both. Firewalls prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing private networks connected to the internet, especially intranets. All messages entering or leaving the internet, i.e. the local network to which you are connected, must pass through the firewall, which examines each message and blocks those that do not meet the specified security criteria. Hardware versus software firewalls. A hardware firewall can be a dedicated computers or can be built into network routers. Software firewalls are programs that can be installed to do the same job. If a software firewall is installed on a desktop computer rather than a server, it is sometimes referred to as a personal firewall. What do? Firewalls help secure a computer by preventing network access from external unauthorized users, and also control which users and programs are allowed to connect to an external network, such as the internet. Firewalls can be configured to allow or block traffic using a number of methods. First of which is an IP address, or Internet Protocol address, the address of a device attached to an IP network, a TCP/IP network. Every client, server, and network device is assigned an IP address. Every IP packet traversing the IP network contains a source IP address and a destination IP address. IP addresses of specific computers can be allowed or denied access. For example, if a denial of service (DOS) attack is being committed, the IP addresses of the attacking machines can be blocked. Domain names. An organization's unique name on the internet. The chosen name combined with the top-level domain, TLD, such as .com or .org, make up the internet domain name. Access to particular websites, such as social networks, can be blocked by specifying their name. Protocols and ports. In computer networking, the term port can refer to either physical or virtual connection points. Different protocols such as HTTP, web browsing, SMTP and POP3 mail, and FTP file transfer can be blocked or allowed as needed. These protocols usually have a standard port, for example, port 80 for HTTP. Either protocol or port can be blocked. Application programs. Individual programs can be granted or denied network access. This can be useful for programs that connect to the internet without consent, such as programs that try to automatically update themselves or report usage statistics. Firewall examples. This right here is a screenshot of Norton, which is an antivirus software which contains firewall settings and a firewall for computers. Firewalls provide protection against outside attackers by shielding your computer or network from malicious or unnecessary internet traffic. You can also possibly have one if you have Microsoft operating system or Apple operating system. I believe they have a default firewall that is installed on the computer when you first get it. An ethical issue pertaining to firewalls is firewalls also raise some ethical issues. While they allow home users and organizations to control access to their networks, TSPs and governments can use similar technology to deny access to some services. This right here is a bibliography. These are some useful links that you might want to check out if you want to know some more about firewalls. And around here at Eric the ITGS Guru, we close with, stay nerdy, my friends.